So I make a video about how to use your Gboard on Facebook Messenger. So, but I noticed some people were coming online to ask me questions. Yes, generally Gboard, that is Google Keyboard, is can be used everywhere. I mean, everywhere in your phone that provides you interface to type. As the name implies, Gboard. The Google Keyboard can be used anywhere. That means that in WhatsApp, your Messenger, any chat platform. So the gifts I was talking about is also generally, that is under any platform. So today we are going to use a WhatsApp to see how it look like there, because we other one we use a Messenger. So you will see there is no different, as in it's still the same place you are fetching this gift from. The only thing is this different location. So Google Keyboard is one, that is the Gboard is one in your phone. Anywhere you enter, you are using it, except you have other keyboard or you change to it as time goes by. Once you are using just Google Keyboard, anywhere you enter it is. So under WhatsApp, let's try to use the gift. So you just enter randomly. I want to try to be very fast, so you just try to follow. We already run lesson on this. So you enter anything, just enter your keyboard. Like if you want to type, you go to gifts. So you see, like I told you, here are the predefined ones. You can choose any one based on your feeling. You can choose. So it's still the same thing. If you have watched my previous video, the one we use Messenger, so you can see that everything here is the same. Like I told you, any one you want, you can choose from the list, or you can search based on your feeling, based on what you really want at that moment. So gift is universal, is the same. Understand? It's the same, be it in Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, or any other platform, any other typing platform in your device. So they are the same, and they are very awesome feature that you can be using. I invite you to try and use it, and you see how your chatting will make your chatting colorful and in a style, fancy way. So thank you. So you shouldn't be confused about